Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Clara J. Thank you all for waiting for me to upload a video. But today is a different video, okay? So today I am going to be reviewing the Nutribullet juicer. This is actually like the first juicer that I actually seen that is small. And it's compact, and from the reviews it's like a less clean. I have a juicer already, but it's too complex, like it's too many moving parts to the juicer, so I wanted something a little more easy on the go. So I'm gonna give this a try. It is the Nutribullet. Yeah, so it's like less prep, less clean. So we're gonna do this thing, okay? So we are in the 4th quarter of the year. I done gained a few pounds. I need to lose some weight. So, you know, even with the juicing alone, like of course, like I'm gonna work out, better options. But for me, I do not like vegetables. I don't know. Well, I'm not really a vegetable eater, so I am going to be blending my vegetables and also juicing my vegetables, just to ensure that I have the you know, that I meet my daily requirements for vegetables and fruits. So juicing is the best option, and also blending. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this baby, because guess what? I don't want to be fat. No, I don't want to be fat no more. So this is the next option. I'm gonna be working out. This is my birthday month, so I really want to kind of trim down at least, you know, maybe 10 pounds this month, at least, or more, 10 or more this month. So I'm gonna give myself a realistic goal. So we're gonna try this out. So let's get started. So this is the Nutribullet. Okay, let's unbox this baby. So it comes with, okay, this is a recipe and then also cleaning instructions. So there you have it. Cleaning can be tough, but our cleaning brushes is tougher. Okay, so that's good. So also you have a warranty registration card. I'm gonna get a warranty on this. Oh, and also I purchased my Nutribullet from Kohl's, and then also I received like $20 back in cash, and this is the last one. So this is meant for me. Okay, so this is, oh yeah, this is really small. Perfect. So this is actually the canister. Juice falls out. This is the lid. Everything's so perfect. So I'm just gonna unbox all of this stuff and then make sure I clean it before I use it. Okay. This is like very compact. This is like more for everyday use. So let's get started. So I will be back. I'm going to chop up my fruits. My first juice that I'm going to blend is the pineapple and ginger. So it's going to be quick and easy. So I'm going to chop up my pineapple and use maybe like a thumb size of ginger. And we're going to juice this baby. fruits. Shoot, got my ginger. Just gonna add, just fill it on up. Hey guys, so my juice is done. I have it in this cup. So my niece is actually gonna give it a try. She's off camera, she doesn't want to be seen. So let's taste. This is so good. The ginger is not overbearing. The juice is smooth. There's no it's just so good. If you're thinking about purchasing the Nutribullet juicer, grab it because it is so good, easy. The cleanup is not that much, so I would highly recommend this. What is your rating of the juice?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. You see? Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Okay.